your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it.
Hey y'all, I'm back with a freaking wig tutorial, and today I'm going to be installing this burgundy 180% Destiny 13x4, okay, burgundy wig by Hot Star. I think it's Hot Star Hair. I got this off a TikTok shop. I'm doing a collab with them, and this hair is so freaking soft. And guess what, y'all? I'm not gonna believe what they gave me. HDK and eyelashes. So we about to install this wig. We about to get straight into it, so stay tuned, you guys. So I am about to install this wig. I am about to put glue on the cap, and I am going back and forth from TikTok to YouTube to recording for you guys. So I'll be back and forth with this one. I'm gonna mainly pay attention to TikTok because I am doing a collab with a TikTok shop hair brand. So I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So I just put the makeup on my cap, and it looks pretty good. Now I'm about to cut this cap. Oh my god, I'm hoping I can find my scissors. I'm about to cut this cap so that it could look good. So I'm gonna be right back. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to lay this wig, and y'all look how it looks so long. But I'm about to lay this wig in like a moment. I just put some glue down, and I put 4 layers down. But like I said, I'm in between TikTok and you guys, so this video might be really short. But I want you guys to see this wig because it looks really, really good, and it did not cost but a bit. It is 22 inches, but it felt like 24, 26, so it feels pretty good. Alright, you guys, so I just laid this wig, and it looks pretty good. I'm gonna do a middle part because I think a middle part is gonna be looking fire with this wig, but it looked pretty good. And yes, so you guys, I just got done eating, and the other day I did a burgundy install. It went pretty well. It was pretty cute. I wore it for a couple of days, but today I did a 7x5 HD pre-pluck pre-bleach install from the company Her Royal Court. I did not do the install on YouTube because I felt like it was pointless. It's not much that I did, but like install a glueless wig. It's glueless, it's pre-plucked, it's pre-bleached, so there wasn't much I had to do. So you guys, since I didn't get to show you guys like an installation video of this wig, I want to show you guys how to process this wig and what to use for this wig. So yes, I got the hair off a TikTok shop, Her Royal Court. It is 24 or 22, I think it's 24, between 24 and 22 inches long, pre-bleach, pre-plucked, and yeah. So what I use for this hair is I use some Moroccan oil. I just bought this today, and I use some edge control for the edges. So how I process this hair, it comes with the directions in the wig on what to do with this wig. So when you order the wig, it'll come with the directions on how to take care of this wig. It got like all the directions down there at the bottom, and where you can find her storefront and how much you can save from ordering this wig. So yeah. So first I'm going to start off by spraying my water in this wig. And you guys, I did not, like I said, I did not have to bleach. I did not have to plug. I did not have to glue it. It was easy to install. It was like a 1-2 thing. If you go on my TikTok and go look on my TikTok, which I'll put the link in the description below of like all the videos I made of this hair. I'm gonna put the link of the storefronts to both of these hairs, the burgundy and this curly wig. Which is both really good wigs. I love them. They both are 180% Destiny on the lace. So that means those are like both of them are really good. It's really good hair. So you guys, you see how I could like stick my finger like straight through it. I gotta spray my everything now. I could stick my finger straight through it, and it gets softer and softer and softer. I feel like the curls are really thick. This is a really cute style for like going swimming or going out of town and you're like on the beach, like Myrtle Beach or Los Angeles, Las Vegas, what else? Florida. This type hair. That's the type hair this hair is. But yeah, I'm just spraying it down to make it like all wet and thick. It's really good hair. Like I said, like you don't have to do much because it's already pre-bleached, pre-plucked. All you gotta do is install that wig. It's really good, like I said, for beginners. It's really good for beginners. Like if you're just now starting to install your wigs, you don't really want to mess with glue too much, bleach too much. Because like I said, I'm still learning. My wigs ain't never looked this good. Even though you can see the wig cap because I just threw it on top of the wig cap. My wigs ain't never looked this good in a million and zillion gazillion years. But like I said, this is how I use the Moroccan oil. I just spray a little on my hand. And I rub it together and I just go through like the hair like that, and it keeps it healthy. Like on the directions it will tell you to stay with some Moroccan oil because it keeps it healthy, it keeps it thick. You don't want your hair, like curly hair, to get dry, because once it get dry it's not going to be worthy to keep up with this hair. It needs to be oiled and moisturized. You can use conditioner, you can use shampoo, anything to keep it oiled and moisturized. I just love how these edges are formed. They're formed really cute. Thumbnail. And they're formed really cute. You cannot even tell like that I have a wig on because it looks like my natural hair. So yes, go ahead and click that storefront and click the link to this wig. You're not going to be disappointed. And yes, these are the products that I have used out of my hand because it's so slippery. But these are the products that I have used on this wig. I use this one and I use some edge control. I got these out of Ulta Beauty for just under at least $20. I got both of them from Ulta Beauty. This was $8 and this was only $2.99. So yeah, go get that stuff so that you want your hair to look amazing and healthy when you install this wig, because it stays for a really long time and you don't have to use glue or you don't have to use no kind of spray to keep it from holding. It holds on its own. And yeah, make sure that you get those products so that your wig could stay healthy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, give this video a big fat thumbs up. Make sure you follow my TikTok and my Instagram. That is where most of my wig tutorials be at. Right now I am combining 2 wig tutorials from TikTok shop at the same time. I'm going to combine them all in one video because I feel like both the videos were really short and I didn't really get to do a video on this wig like that. Because it was just a 1 2 3, that's it. But I am still going to post this wig on my YouTube video so that you guys could go check it out and go see what this wig is about, and yeah, enjoy the hair as much as I'm enjoying it. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll be back with another video soon, so stay tuned.